So I am Njoroge Jonathan, and in this video we are going to explore the essential steps, strategies and insights to pave your way to success in the freelance world. So let's get started. Number one is hone your craft. Whether you are into photography or filmmaking, skill mastery is the foundation of success. Dedicate time to practice, learn and refine your techniques. Keep experimenting, push your boundaries and always strive for improvement. The best approach to this is being objective and learning as you work, not to sit in front of your TV and watch hundreds of videos and think that you are now skilled. Not at all. Skill comes with practicing and learning to solve a problem. As you go out and work, the handles you find will be a place to come back and learn from, and that is how you grow your skill. Number two is build a solid portfolio. A portfolio is your visual resume. Fill it with your best work that showcases your style and versatility. It's your first impression on potential clients. Update it regularly and curate it to match the type of work you want to attract. So remember me saying that you have to go out and work? Yes, there is no any other way of getting a portfolio if you're not out shooting. Once you get several projects, build a portfolio that people and potential clients can see. As more work comes, you will get better and you'll keep updating your portfolio with fresh and better work. Number three is define your niche. Are you drawn to weddings, fashion, travel, documentaries, or something else? Focus on a specific niche allows you to target your marketing efforts and become an expert in that particular field. I once was told no creative director will hire a wedding photographer to do a commercial or a product shoot. What does it mean? You need to have a focus on what you want to pursue and what you want to be known for. In our line of work, a wedding photographer and portrait photographers could be a focus. This way you are able to focus on marketing strategies to a specific audience that will give you work. Number four is create an online presence. In this digital age, an online presence is non-negotiable. Build a professional website and maintain active social media profiles. Share your work, insights, and behind-the-scenes glimpses to engage and connect with your audience. How will your potential clients know about you? Which is the fastest and yet affordable way to start getting noticed? Of course, it's online. Try as much as possible to create an online presence, starting with social media platforms. Start with the ones that your clients are on. That means you'll first understand the client. Then you can build it up to other platforms as you grow. Also get a website. This builds credibility to your prospects that you are trustworthy and an open book. Have it as your online shop and you will see a lot of growth when it comes to client acquisition. Number five is networking and building relationships. So networking is your golden ticket. Attend workshops, seminars, and industry events. Connect with fellow creatives, potential clients, and collaborators. Strong relationships can lead to referrals and exciting opportunities. Remember, your network is your net worth. You can easily get business from people that you met in events, workshops, or reached out on social media, or even collaborate. Build those relationships from the get-go. Number six is set your rates and value of work. Knowing your worth is crucial. Research industry rates, consider your expenses, and determine your pricing. This is where some business knowledge and understanding comes in. Learn how to price your services. Not too high to chase away clients, and not too low to look like a cheap fella. So you can have a rate card that you send to your clients on request. You can also have package pricing where you offer different services for different pricings, or you can customize your pricing for each and every client. Be transparent about your rates and remember that valuing your work sets the tone of how clients perceive your professionalism. Number seven is marketing strategies. Marketing can make or break your freelance career. Utilize various channels, social media, a blog, or email newsletter to showcase your expertise, share insight, and promote your services. You can also explore ads on several platforms like Facebook and TikTok, and this will help you reach new markets and be found by other prospects even faster. So you can also start educational content like this one to add knowledge and value to your clients on how to solve their problems and how to get the best out of your services. This is called inbound marketing, and it goes a long way to building trust that leads to clients. In all those strategies, remember, consistency is key. Number eight is deliver exceptional customer service. Now, providing excellent customer service is more than just delivering great work. Communication, meeting deadlines, and exceeding expectations can turn one-time client into a repeat customer and brand advocate. So in marketing, we say people remember how you made them feel. This feeling comes from how you deal with them in terms of customer service. I normally advocate for creating an experience that your client will never forget. They will preach it to 1,000 people. However, if you give them a bad experience, they will preach to 10,000, and this will be very, very bad for your business. Number 9 is diversify income streams. Freelancing can have its up and downs. So diversify your income streams by offering workshops, selling presets and stock footage, and exploring affiliate partnerships. This stability can help you during slower periods. Another strategy of diversifying your income is providing several other services that are complementary to what you're currently offering. For example, if you're a portrait or lifestyle photographer, you can add products like wall prints, canvases, calendars, and so on. So these products could have pretty good margins to add on to your current income. It may take time to diversify income, but let it be one of your strategies for growth. Increase in income brings a whole lot of possibilities for a young freelance business. Number 10 is continuous learning and adaptation. Finally, stay hungry for growth. The industry is ever evolving. Keep learning about the latest techniques, trends, equipment. Adaptation is the key of staying relevant and ahead of the curve. YouTube is a good platform to start from. Get as much knowledge as possible in areas that will bring growth. For example, technical skills of photography and filmmaking. Don't stop there. Start learning marketing and sales to drive leads to your business. Also, learn about money and business, how to manage money, how to do bookkeeping, and so on. How to provide better customer service. I mean, there is a lot to learn, and so you can't stop learning. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on becoming a successful freelancer, photographer, or filmmaker. Remember, it's not just about creating stunning visuals, it's about building a brand, fostering relationships, and continuously evolving. If you found this insight valuable, give us a thumbs up and subscribe, hit that notification bell. Stay tuned for more career advice and creative inspirational videos from our channel. So thank you for joining us, and from me to you, cheers.